NordVPN discount codes, NordVPN promotion codes, and NordVPN vouchers are available for you guys right here on this video. Now, don't be shocked, don't be alarmed. The prices you see on your screen, this is not how much the deals are, okay? I kind of just wanted to show real quick how much it really is. Like normally, under the monthly plan, okay, NordVPN would be $13.99 a month for the complete package, $12.69 a month for the plus package, and $11.99 a month for the standard package. And it used to be there used to be no complete and no plus package. It used to be just standard, and then you kind of get the 1 year plan or the 2 year plan for the VPN service. But now NordVPN has decided to add some of their separate products and package them all together. But of course, they're still optional. You don't have to get the plus package nor the complete package in order to get the protection of NordVPN itself. Now, let's take a look at how much it is on the 2 year plan because that's really where we need to make the comparisons. Now, without the help of our voucher codes, all right, you can get the standard plan at about $3.99 a month. The plus plan is available currently at $4.69 per month, and the complete package would be available at $5.99 per month. Now, using the link on the description below, by the way, guys, that's all you have to do. You don't have to join a competition or a raffle or whatever. All you have to do is click the link on the description below, and you'll be able to get this pricing right here. I mean, take a look at that, guys. Look at that. $3.16 a month for the standard plan, right? That's $3.83 if you're gonna go for the plus plan, and finally, at an even bigger savings of 69%, you can get the complete package just $5.08 per month. So, I mean, if you look at it, guys, if you need just a VPN, if you went here, you got surprised with this new sort of complete package that NordVPN has, don't worry. Then just go for the standard plan, right? $3.16 a month. That's less than $80 for the first 2 years. And you'll be able to get the connection or the protection you need from NordVPN. But really, what I wish that they did, just kind of like a minor side note here, is I wish they had an option, and maybe I can sort of fiddle around with it a little bit later on. But I just wish that they had an option where you can get a $3.16 a month plan or the standard plan together with the 1 terabyte encrypted cloud storage. Because honestly, I don't really need the password manager as much, or the data breach scanner is probably something a bit niche for myself and for a lot of users out there. But this encrypted cloud storage, guys, I think this is a very, very underrated part of this package. I mean, if you take a look at this, between these two plans, it's basically it's a $1.25 value, from the plus to the complete package, right? That's $1.25 that separates them. So that's the cloud storage service. And if we have that, that means that we could have gotten it if we had like an intermediate plan that allowed for us to have the standard features together with the what do you call this again? The encrypted cloud storage. Then that means we could have had something for about $4.41 per month, and you'll have the standard plan with the cloud storage. I just wish they had that option, but otherwise, I think this part right here, guys, I'm telling you, this is very underrated. There's a lot of plans out there that don't come close in terms of cost and in terms of the amount of storage. So this is definitely something that you should consider. Now, what exactly is in it for you when you do get NordVPN? Now, of course, I'm on their features page here, and you basically get all these benefits you see on your screen. First of all, since it's a VPN, it gives you this basic feature here, which is secure your internet, right? NordVPN, in my experience, has also been very fast. And another thing you're gonna like is NordVPN, in my opinion, is one of the most trustworthy VPN services out there because of their very strict no logs policy. They recently introduced certain new features. One of them is MeshNet right here. To put it simply, MeshNet is just like using a VPN server, but instead of uh, your device or your connection being routed through a VPN server, you're going to be routing it through another device. Now, I'm not really too keen about this particular feature yet, and I haven't really tried it out yet, so I don't know how good it is. But I think it's a nice option to have. And of course, you'll be able to get all these other things you see on your screen, right? You block malware, privacy on the go. VPN servers are everywhere. By the way, guys, their server locations, they currently have over 5,000 server locations all around the world, spread across 59 countries. And this is actually one of the reasons why they're very, very fast. Because ultimately, guys, VPNs, just like with any server type service, your location will matter a lot. So the fact that you can be anywhere in the world, right, and have sort of a server near you, unless you're like in the middle of Africa or in Siberia somewhere, you'll be fine. You'll have like a country near you that will have a server that you can use, and I think that's just awesome. Now, going by the list of other features that they have here, I mean, it just goes on and on, right? You have all these things. I mean, private DNS has something nice. A dark web monitoring feature. This is something a bit niche, but I think it's definitely something I appreciate. And like I said, guys, privacy is very, very, very important right now. And it's something that you should take very, very seriously. And what better way to be private on the internet than use a VPN service? And of course, using the link on the description below to top that all off, get that service for as low as $3.16 a month under the standard plan. Now, I want to show you one of the features that I really like on NordVPN as well. And that feature is this map right here. Okay? The presence of this map. No, I'm kidding. The feature, or let's just say two features that I really like, and while not exactly being unique, is I think that's something that's very important for a lot of new users and even old users to learn or relearn and consider. Okay, and that is the presence of the kill switch and split tunneling. Split tunneling is something that I used to just not pay any attention to, but over the last few months, I'd say like maybe like the last 5 or 6 months, I've come to appreciate the presence of split tunneling on NordVPN's service itself. Now, like I said, split tunneling is not exactly like something unique. A lot of the other bigger names in VPNs also have split tunneling, but the ease of use at which NordVPN offers it to its users is just something else. Now, with split tunneling on NordVPN, you can disable the VPN for selected apps, or enable VPN for selected apps only. Now, me, for example, I prefer to disable VPN for selected apps, like because I just run into some issues before. Like for example, I'm logging into like my bank app on my phone, or like my bank account online, and I'm not able to just because I'm showing up that is showing up that I'm in Hong Kong. Well, I've never been to Hong Kong, nor do I have any plans of going right now. But I'm just saying, this is very, very underrated. And like I said, it's not necessarily a unique proposition for NordVPN, but I do appreciate that it's a part of the package that they have. Now, talking about the other thing that I like, the kill switch, again, something that's not really unique to NordVPN itself, but the fact that it's here and the fact that you do have two ways of using it. Okay, now this is something that's different with Nord, because normally a VPN service would have the internet kill switch, which basically, as it says here, would disable the internet access when not connected to a VPN. This has caused me so much confusion in the past, as I thought like my phone or my computer was broken just because I forgot that I had this turned on. But anyways, that's just I'll tell you more about some of the troubles I've had with this, perhaps in a future video. But the fact that they also have a second way of doing it, or a second type of kill switch, which is the app kill switch, which basically allows you to close selected apps when you disconnect from the VPN or if the connection drops. I mean, whenever I'm a big fan of customization, guys. Okay, whenever there's something different, or it's like something common, like in this case, for example, like the kill switch or split tunneling. Whenever you add a little bit of customization, a little bit of a tweak in there, that's something that I really appreciate, because that just goes to show that there's sort of a thought process behind, like behind the scenes, like the devs are really thinking about how to serve you better as a service provider. Now let's go back to the VPN screen here. Now the map, of course, is something is it's a cute little thing to have. I mean, you can actually change servers using the map. And I said I was kidding when I said I like it's a favorite feature, but I actually do appreciate this map right here. Now, speaking of the map, speaking of all these features, and what else? Speaking of all these features, servers, and whatnot of NordVPN, let's not forget the main point of this video is not the features of NordVPN. The main point of this video is for you guys to buy NordVPN using the link on the description below. Get NordVPN for 2 years at just as low as $3.16 a month. But again, guys, do consider getting the complete plan at 508. This thing right here, the 1 terabyte encrypted cloud storage, is something that I think should be available as an intermediate plan, like maybe somewhere here or here, because I think there's just so much value to that, especially now that cloud services are becoming more and more expensive. So, guys, that's pretty much it for me for today. I do hope you liked the video. And again, click the link in the description below to get this very special deal from our friends at NordVPN. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope to see you guys on the next video.